Good evening, boys. Hope all are fine. Boys, you already know your second round quiz syllabus, isn't it? Your second quiz syllabus is chapter 5 from beginning to before graphics. Okay. The name of the chapter 5 is Concept of Multimedia. Concept of Multimedia. Boys, this chapter, you all read this chapter in your previous class, isn't it? But for your betterment, I revision this chapter. Okay. So let's start. Look, multimedia and graphics. Boys, your quiz will held at the date of 15 March. Okay. Using Google Form. So your question pattern is MCQ. Every line is important. Okay, every line is important for MCQ. So read it carefully. Look, multimedia and graphics. Human beings have been using different media to express themselves since the ancient time. Writing is an expressive medium, and so are the sound and image. Multimedia is the integration of multiple forms of expressive media. Look, multimedia is the integration of multiple forms of expressive media such as text, graphics, drawings, photographs, videos, etc. With the evolution of civilizations and development in technology, these mediums have been used in various ways. Especially in today's digital era, the nature of this media has also changed. The media of the analog age are not the major media of the digital age. Rather the media of analog age have changed in motive. Once the media were used separately, but nowadays they are harmoniously combined together. The potentiality of multimedia has been enhanced with the integration of programming ability of digital machines. Hence, it is also called interactive multimedia. Okay, it is also called interactive multimedia because of its multiple dimensions and different programming abilities. In interactive multimedia is widely known to people. Okay, interactive multimedia is widely known to people. In summary, multimedia means numerous media. Interactive media means the media with which the user can connect and so multimedia is the combination of different expressive media. We express ourselves by using at least three media, which are color, image and sound. These three media have various forms too. They appear before us either individually or collectively. Different kinds of media are known to us such as paper publication, radio, television, video, cinema, video games, educative software, web page, etc. We can call television, video and cinema multimedia, but video games, educative software and web page are called interactive multimedia. Okay? So, multimedia is usually captured by a digital machine or device. It can be directly presented on the stage or projected in a different way. Sometimes some electronic devices are called multimedia because they contain the information and directly display it in different forms. If we want to use three media in one activity, we should start from the cinema. In the last phase of 19th century, in 1895, with the invention of cinema, text, graphics, sound and movements were added to it. Therefore, cinema is called the earlier invention of multimedia. So, cinema is called the earlier invention of multimedia because in cinema there are different forms like text, graphics, sound, movements, etc. Isn't it? Okay. Even though this form of multimedia came into being ages ago, the integration of the computer to it is a quite a recent development. Okay, media of multimedia. We know that the computer, the most popular digital device, is widely known as the calculating machine. So, computer is called a calculating machine. Processing and transferring data was another important work of the computer. Look, processing and transferring data was another important work of the computer. Later on, it was widely used for typing. In the beginning, only one medium was used to do all these works. Text, however, gradually graphics and sounds were used too. Besides, the computer has the ability to do programming. In fact, computers are capable of creating an interactive experience for user with a combination of text, graphics and sound. Now multimedia promised dynamic experience than that of the previous time. Multimedia is used not only in the computer but also in mobile phones, smartphones, tablets and other digital device. So nowadays multimedia is very popular for its different activities. Okay, then look the main medium of multimedia. There is a worldwide preference for computers and they tend to replace the conventional machines. Number 1, text. Medium 1 is text. Any work in relation to written text is done on computers worldwide. Once it was done by the typewriter. At present, computers are used for all kinds of writing tasks in office to professional printing houses. Graphics. Computers are used for graphics design, editing and so on. In our country, the use of computer is very limited in graphics design, painting, drawing and even in commercial graphics included in fine arts. However, computers are widely used in printers and packaging industries. The use of computer started in 1990s in printing. So when computer is used in printing? In 1990s. Publication and graphics design. It was first used to edit scanned photos by Photoshop. So it was first used to edit scanned photos by Photoshop. Gradually, computers have been used in design and graphics. Look, under graphics there are video, animation. Okay. So look, video is a kind of graphics. It is better to call it a moving graphics. Video is a moving graphics. Okay. Video is an established medium all over the world. Video has been extensively used in TV, home video, multimedia software, web, etc. Animation. Animation is a kind of graphics, but it can be either moving or static. Animation can be either moving or static. It can be either 2D or 3D. So boys, I think everybody have idea about 2D or 3D. The use of animation is gradually increasing in our country. In advertisements, animation is a favorite media, but we lack skilled people in this sector. In fact, animation is never used as a single medium. It is combined with audio, video, text, graphics, etc. So animation is combined with audio, video, text, graphics. Okay. Then sound or audio. The whole world depends on computer for sound or audio recordings, editings, etc. The analog system has been completely rendered obsolete in sound engineering. Now sound recording can easily be done in computers. Okay, though boys, it is a video class and fast reading, so I do not read too much. Okay, today I want to finish here. Okay, so have any problem this two page, in this two page, please feel free to ask. Okay, so boys, no more today. Thanks to all.